20वीं समुद्री राज्य विकास परिषद (MCDC) की बैठक पर केंद्रीय मंत्री सर्बानंद सोनोवाल ने कहा, यह समुद्री क्षेत्र विशेष रूप से राज्य विकास परिषद के लिए एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण आयोजन है। 20वां सत्र आज से ही शुरू हो रहा है और यह कल तक जारी रहेगा। 2047 तक भारत एक आत्मनिर्भर राष्ट्र और दुनिया के अग्रणी विकसित देशों में से एक बनने जा रहा है। इस लक्ष्य को प्राप्त करने के लिए हम जमीनी स्तर से ही संयुक्त रूप से इकोसिस्टम का निर्माण कर रहे हैं।
Very important event for the maritime sector, particularly Maritime State Development Council. The 20th session is starting from today itself. It will continue till tomorrow. So all the coastal states and also Indian territories, they are participating. This is a largest kind of event. For the first time, maximum number of states and Indian territories, they are coming and joining hands to each other, so that in the near future, under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Prime Minister, we can particularly excel our ability for the speedy growth of this particular sector in the country. And as you all know, by 2047, India is going to become the self-reliant nation and one of the most leading developed country in the world. So to achieve that target, we are building jointly the ecosystem right from the grassroots. So to be a world-class kind of maritime nation, and also to be one of the top 10 maritime nation, India is aiming to put its best possible effort with the support of the people of the country under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, visionary leader Narendra Modi.